Today we have the 2022 Volkswagen Transporter Camper. This vehicle has done just over 9,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our sink, cooker, microwave and fridge. Behind me is our first of 2 double beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as 2 belted seats, making this camper full berth, full belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist. And on the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, and menu. On the right, we have smartphone integration, Apple and Android CarPlay, and voice control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below, we have our AC. And if we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top.